Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Now today we have the Skullcandy Mod Earbuds. Now first we're going to get into the design, and we'll keep moving down forward to waterproofness and all that. So let's start off with the design, look, and the feel of these. Alright, but so right when you open the Mod Earbuds, you will notice that they are a vertical style of laying in here. They are sitting straight up. Normally you get them laying flat on a case. That's what we're normally used to, but with these ones they got the vertical style and it makes it much easier to grab. You can also see on the outside, like the outside of the earbud itself, it has a little groove in there which kind of helps you, catch your ear. It gives it that wingtip feel without having to put the wingtips on there or adjust those. They really did work, because I'm one of those people. There's two different type of people out there. I think there's people that need the stem earbud like I normally do, the stem like an AirPod or something, to keep those in my ear, and if not they fall out. And normally these ones, the bud ones, normally fall out of my ear, but with that groove it really kept it in there. I didn't have an issue with it. So if you're worried about that, these grooves should help you keep it in there. But they come in two different colors. They come in this gray and black, and yeah, all around I do like the design. The fit was fine and it never felt like it was falling out. And here goes a little on ear look. They don't really pop out as much as I thought they would. They're just right there within my ear, and they're only sticking out a little bit. So I think on ear look wise they look pretty good. So when it comes to the waterproofness of these, you're looking at IP55. So that means they are sweat and water resistant. So if you're going to be wearing these in the rain or in the gym or anything, you're going to be fine. It's not going to damage these. These are sweat and water resistant. But also one of the 5s on the 55 means is dust proof. So, a little bit of dust in there or whatever is not going to mess it up as well. They got the components, locked down pretty good. So IP55 is the rating for these ones. When it comes to the battery life, which is really big when it comes to earbuds, the battery life in this, you're going to be looking at 34 hours in total. So basically it means within the case or the earbud itself, you're going to get about 7 hours of battery life in the earbud. Now, once these start dying, when it comes to the case, you're going to have 27 hours in this case to recharge these back up. So that's what you're going to be looking at, basically 34 hours in total of battery life. Now, they also have like a fast charging or a quick charge. So if you charge these up for 10 minutes, they're saying you'll be able to get 2 hours of battery life back into your earbuds. So that's really good. A real quick charge, 10 minutes gets you 2 hours of playtime. Alright, so now we're in the Skullcandy app, so I can show you guys a little bit what the Skullcandy app has to offer. So in this app, right away when you connect these, you're going to see your earbuds right there and which versions you have, and also you'll see the battery life of each one. So I have both in. If I take one out and put it back in the case, I'm pretty sure right now it's going to disappear on the app. Hold up, give me a second. Boom. So now it disappeared, so I put it in there. So now it's just showing the one earbud I have in and the battery life of that. You can control the volume on here, just up and down, whatever you want. I'm pretty sure we'll be using the sides of our phones for all that. And then under that you have the EQ, the equalizer. They have the 3 presets, or you can customize yours. And all you got to do is click on the little graph there and you can boost it up. As you can see, I boosted my bass all the way up on this and boosted the mids and the highs a little bit more. And that was my custom EQ. And if not, you can just go to the preset or wherever you want it. Now they have a stay aware mode, basically a transparency mode. So if you want to, be able to hear a little bit what's going on the outside, this is the mode that you will toggle on or off. So that's what you would do for that one. So that is the stay aware mode. Now also, they have different button settings here. So I'm gonna need both of them. So let's go to that and link them back up. And as you can see, it lets you basically customize what you want the ears to do. So if you want to switch up the settings on there, there's a whole bunch of different options to customize it, and it's the same for all these different things. Left, right, press twice, press 3 times, hold for a second, and there's a lot of customization in there, which is always really good. You got the multi-pairing, basically meaning you can connect to multiple devices, jump between them. So if I had it to my phone and the PC, I'll be able to just jump between those. And also you can find these with the Tile now, so you can use the Tile app to find your Skullcandy earbuds and see where exactly they're at or where you left them, which is really good. I like that that they added that for the Skullcandy earbuds. Alright, so when it comes to the sound overall, when I thought of the sound is really clean. There was nothing that really hurt my ears, like if the highs were too loud and pierced my ears or nothing. It was a clean sound. Everything worked together really well. I do feel like the bass is more of a supporting role on these. So if you're a bass lover, these are probably not the ones you want. You probably want to go with these, the Skullcandy rails. The bass is amazing on these. The bass is the star of these earbuds, but I feel like the mids and the highs, so the vocals and the instruments, are more of the star, and then the bass plays more of a supporting role on these ones. Now these will be the ones my wife will go with because she's not a huge bass lover. You know, she likes the vocals and, you know, and the instruments more, and she likes the bass to play the background. So if you're also like that, these are definitely ones you want to look at. Now I'm not saying there is no bass, but compared to what noise cancel, you know, Skullcandy normally makes, you know, that's why I'm saying these will like rattle your ears. I did like these a lot. But the sound was clean overall, and the EQ lets you adjust. As you see, I boosted up the bass a little bit to give it a little bit more of a thump, and then I boosted up the highs and mids more, still, you know, just giving it that sound that I wanted with my ears. And that's always good that Skullcandy gives you the option to, you know, EQ it in their app to your liking. Now, when it comes to like the latency and all that stuff, I did test it when watching Netflix on there, because I know a lot of people watch shows in waiting rooms and like traveling, whatever, you guys are watching your shows. Whatever they were saying, I was hearing at the same time. There was no lag in between that. I also did that watching YouTube videos, so there was no lag in between those two things, Netflix and YouTube, when I was watching. So there was no latency in the sound. But overall, if you're looking for some nice clean earbuds, these are definitely ones you want to, you know, check out. Nice clean sound, everything worked together really well. So when it comes to the price for the Skullcandy Mod Earbuds, you're gonna be looking at $60. But I did see these on sale recently. When I was looking up the price, I make sure it was $40 on Amazon. So Skullcandy is having a little sale at the time, but we know they will go on sale at times. But $60 is the normal price, and it's going on sale for $40 right now on Amazon. I put that link down in the description below, so you guys can click that and check it out. And when you guys do click that link, it does help me out. It makes Amazon have to pay me. I do get a little affiliate commission for that, so I do appreciate it if you guys click that link. All right, so that is the video for that. But if you guys want to check out the ones I was showing you guys with the nice crazy bass from Skullcandy, I'll link that up somewhere right here, so you guys can click that and check out those as well. But thank you for watching my video, everyone. I'll see you guys in my next one. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.